Thank you, 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 thank you. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go!
Could you see yourself growing old with me? Watching my head turn to gray.
Hayop kayo, buti bagong brief ko.
Live with me in my mistakes.
Almost lahat ng groomsmen and yung sa bridesmaids, yun, lahat sila part. Di ba?
Pero nakwento mo rin ba?
Yes, first and last.
Tapos first boyfriend si Rico.
Pareha silang first.
Parang first.
You made it.
Dito na sila. Nakakatawa naman kasi ang ending sila rin naman. So, like forever. Like forever.
Man.
Bills pile up.
And time tests our love.
We'll say forever ain't enough.
Naiya ako, ang dami ko audience. Tanda-tanda ko pa yung first na sinabi niya sa akin. Nagdo-drawing siya ng pig, tas ako daw yun. Tas sabi ng teacher namin, hala, pag kayong dalawa nagkatuluyan, ganun pa. Tapos edi ayun, edi parang MU kami ng first year. Tapos tago-tago sa magulang. Hala, nandyan yung magulang, maririnig nila lahat.
Actually, nakakatawa. Siyempre, ang bata namin noon ilang taon lang kami, second year. So, actually, si Mama Cora nun, saka si Papa G, sabi nila, bata pa kayo, hinay-hinay, aral muna. So, may unofficial, ay hindi, yeah, parang gano'n pala, unofficial breakup ko, no? Pero wala naman kasi nagbago eh. November 21. Actually, parang hiningi naming sign yun eh. Kung
Merong available na slot for November 21, ipupush namin.
nung nag-inquire kami, okay yung date, pwede. So, tinuloy namin. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, may na-realize ako. Ang wedding date namin is 11, 21, 24. 11 is birthday ko, September 11. Yung 21 is anniversary talaga namin, July 21. Tapos 24 naman, yun naman yung birthday niya, January 24. So, ang galing lang. Yun, part na yun, hindi na sinasadya yun.
Alam nyo, magandang gumawa ng kwento ang Diyos. Isang araw, mapapansin nyo ang isa't isa.
Ano, parang ideal man mo lang na parang hindi kasi dati sabi ko, ay, hindi ako magbo-boyfriend. Tapos, nakita ko siya. Ay, pogi. Nasa loob ko lang yan. Ay, pogi. Ay, pwede to.
Oo, kasi Jin talaga nanligaw.
Talaga ng liga.
Hindi si Coco. Yung crush kasi ni Jin yun.
Binakuran eh. Charot. Pogi eh.
Love you na, I love you.
Who knew at 13 years old that I have found my soulmate? The relationship which started with try lang natin kung mag-work. And now, we stand here today, 15 years and a year married. And I thank God for that.
It is, yes, a commitment. Commitment na ngayon ay palalo mong paninindigan. Sa inyong commitment, kasali ang Panginoon. Andiyan na nga kayo sa isa't isa, pero mas matibay pa pagkasama ng Panginoon.
It's been 15 years since you said yes. You've been my best friend, my sunshine in every rain, and laughter that completes my day. We've learned a lot from each other and built a one-of-a-kind memories that I would not trade for anything.
Kapag nagpatuloy ang buhay nyo ng ito ang nagyayari sa inyo, it will be a beautiful story. Maraming hahamon dito ng pagkakataon, pero ipaglalaban nyo.
Kasi matagal na nga kami, di ba? Hindi naman kami magkasama sa UAE kasi siya Abu Dhabi, ako Dubai.
Pero tinake namin siya as a challenge. So happy namin siyang ginagawa. Mahirap pero happy.
Parang pinanindigan namin na hindi kami humingi ng help sa parents ko, sa parents niya.
May birthday siya doon. Dahil ako pa lang yung nag-work noon, wala na kami pambili ng cake. Namili na lang kami ng cupcake noon. Tinusok namin yon, birthday wish.
Basta bahay na kami, nag-blow lang ako ng cupcake kasi wala na kami pambili ng cake. Hello! Naiyak na ako.
Pero challenge siya, pero na-enjoy namin kasi humble beginnings, ika nga namin. May this gift symbolizes all the memories and time we spent through the year.
See you at the altar. Can't wait to say I do again.
Happy wedding anniversary. I love you. I promise to love you, not just for who you are, but for who we are together. I will forever respect and love you.
Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy, and I am excited to build this life with you and our soon-to-be baby. Through ups and downs, through thick and thin, we are in this together forever.
As you dream of a beautiful life, yes, there will be challenges. Sometimes there will be storms. But the end will always be the beauty of God's love.